From the dawn of the universe when the first black holes shaped space and time, to today's age of AI, mankind has achieved what seemed impossible. But despite our advances, there is one force we can't control: our climate. Our team, Novachari, led by Aliful Zaman, includes Mobashirul, Afia, Sadia, Atikur, and Jannatul. We are no strangers to the wrath of nature, living in a disaster-prone region ourselves. These life experiences led us to NASA Space App Challenge and choosing the challenge of SDGs in classroom. Our story begins with introducing Miss Sharifa, a riverside dweller and mother of two. She is suffering from severe infection of uterus. Not only that, her fears had no bounds when her 8-year-old daughter has already started experiencing unusual menstrual cycles. One more shadow cast by the climate crisis. Sharifa's story is one of millions. A good number of seminars and conferences happen worldwide, but the question remains: what really changing? Can we convince the mass people to switch to biodegradable products or reduce their air conditioner use? Obviously not. Don't we forget the scorching heat wave we all experienced last summer and moved our education in online? How many of us dare to step out at noon? The rise in temperature is real, affecting everyone. And it's only getting worse. According to NASA's latest dataset, we are on track to hit a global average temperature increase of 1.5 degrees Celsius within the next few decades. This isn't just static, it's a warning. The climate crisis is now some far-off issue. It's happening now, right before our eyes. That's why we created EcoMinds, a solution to reimagine climate education through interactive and engaging modules. It takes learners, especially young minds, on an immersive adventure through climate action using NASA's powerful resources, using APIs like Earth and UNET. Now let's dive into EcoMinds itself, a dynamic 4-module platform designed to educate, inspire, and active. Module 1 starts with the basics. Students explore how oceans control weather patterns through NASA's cutting-edge satellite technology. From CSAT to modern giants like the SWORD and PACE satellite, students will grasp the importance of satellite data in understanding climate trends. Through interactive quizzes and puzzles, they will solidify their understanding. Module 2 moves deeper into global warming, allowing students to watch NASA's remarkable videos on Earth science. They will learn how sensors of NASA's Earth-observing satellites reveal crucial data about rising sea levels and changing air quality. Module 3 delves into the threats climate change poses to essential systems like food supply chains. Students will tackle challenges through games and quizzes, visualizing the direct impact climate change has on our ability to sustain life. And finally, Module 4 gives students a glimpse into the future of climate action through NASA's Earth Observatory model. They will see how drivers of climate change interact and will engage in hands-on activities like creating posters, inviting friends, planting trees, and more and more. This isn't just theory. Students will become the change makers, armed with the knowledge and skill to make a tangible difference. At EcoMinds, we believe change starts from the youth. By empowering students with interactive real-world learning, we are planting the seeds of sustainable future. This isn't just about passing exams, it's about facing reality, taking action, and creating change from where we stand. Together, we can train the next generation to reject harmful practices, embrace sustainable choices, and protect people who are frontline of the crisis. We can imagine a world in our optimistic eyes where a student in San Francisco is planting trees while a youth in Shakira is standing up for climate justice. This is the community we dream of building, a community that's solid, sustainable, and resilient. If this vision resonates with you, let's join hands and embark on this journey together. With EcoMinds, the future isn't hopeful, it is possible.